interview sessions of 2022 and 2023 that were already available in speed. And I saw few topics from the videos that were taught in the speed, and especially the GTs and the question bank.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings from behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Parul for scoring a topmost rank of AML 5 in DM Super Speciality of Pediatric Critical Care in INISS April 2024. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Doctor, can we know a brief background from where you started your career till date? What all you have done?
Sir, I am originally from Patna, Bihar, from where I did my secondary and higher secondary education. And through NEET in 2013, I joined Neelatan Sarkar Medical College, Kolkata. I did my MBBS from there. In 2020, I was lucky enough to join my alma mater again for MD Pediatrics, and I graduated last year in 2023.
Why a special interest for critical care, Doctor?
Sir, actually, I have a special interest for pediatrics since my internship days. And as we have been the lucky or the unlucky 18 months first year residents, so during the COVID times, I got a lot of exposure to the critical patients that were referred from the periphery to our tertiary institute. And we had the necessary equipments to treat them. And while that exposure actually made me realize that critical care in pediatrics is still not that much delved into and is the need of the hour. So, and I had great faculties who guided me during my tenure, during my PG days. And that actually made me realize that I should try for critical care.
Great. Now, what all you did after that? Once you decided to do that, and how you started preparation, where you started? Can you tell us?
Sir, actually, during my third year of residency, I was sure that I wanted to pursue critical care. But I had no idea regarding whether DM or DNB would be preferable and which institutes offered it. So, and I generally had no idea which coaching to take and how to go about this, because everybody till now says that pediatrics is just, you can just live with MD pediatrics. So after my second year and during my third year, Dr. Aradhya, who last year qualified DM neurology, he told me about speed. So I subscribed Speed, and I think for around 10 to 12 months, I have subscribed Speed, and I couldn't actually complete all the videos. Honestly, it was not possible for me. During my final exams, I had already notes prepared from Nelson. I used to study them, and I saw few topics from the videos that were taught in the Speed, and especially the GTs and the question bank. For me, these GTs and question bank made me realize that what I studied and what I had to apply, there was a lack there, and I need to work upon that. So I gave my NEET 2023, and I secured a rank of 400, which was not sufficient to get a decent college. And I even gave INISS in November. So, and I secured a rank of 18, but I was not shortlisted for the interview. So I tried again, and this time I was shortlisted for the interview. And giving the interview, I realized that it was not that difficult. It was very basic, but our approach is that matters. We say that, oh, it is a central institute, it is critical care, it is bound to be difficult. But I think that mindset needs to change, and we should just try. We should dream big and try harder.
Great, Doctor. Can you tell us how did you prepare for the interview?
Sir, for the interview, I actually saw the recall interview sessions of 2022 and 2023 that were already available in Speed. And Dr. Mutaya had discussed very in detail the ventilator graphics and everything. And I think they were very helpful, though I was not asked about the ventilator graphics in my interview. They were very basic questions. But I could actually answer them when sir was discussing them during the live classes. And that made me realize that they are going to ask very basic questions, but there will be some clinical or there is going to be some twist, and I need to stay calm. And I think that is what helped me. The interview that was even taken by Dr. Neeraj for neonatology. I think even those interview sessions helped me, though neonatology was a bit different, but the approach was same.
Same. Doctor, how many questions did you attend in this exam?
That is what, sir, I remember you telling in an interview that we should attempt 80 out of 80 questions. and I'm not a person who attempts 80 out of 80 questions. And I think that has been the drawback since my UG and PG days. I am a person who believes in accuracy. But this time, and even in the November session, I did not attempt all questions. I attempted 75 questions in November. And that is what I think gave me a rank of 80. So this time I thought, let's give it a try. I did not have the courage to attempt 80 questions. I attempted 78.
78 is almost
Because,
close to 80.
yes, sir.
Two
But
questions you
still,
left.
I think this was me trying something new because I'm not a person who goes 80 out of 80. I will never attempt in any exam 100 until unless I'm sure 70 or 80% I have to be sure that I know this. So I think that extra that I did for at least 3 or 4 questions gave me a better rank.
Great, doctor. Can you tell us what will be your advice for the juniors who want to prepare for DM pediatrics, post pediatrics, DM critical care?
Sir, I would say that first we need to study our basics, Nelson. Whatever basics you want to study in your residency, study that. But most importantly, work in the wards. The clinical posting is very important, that exposure that we get. And I think I have been very lucky that I got that exposure in my institute. And even after that, when I am doing my SRship in a different institute, whatever we see in that institute, we should try visit rounds. Every faculty will teach something new. Even the faculty juniors, we can learn anything from anybody. And that is what will be asked in exams some way or the other. We just have to be present. And when we start the preparation, my actual preparation of critical care, core critical care, I started after my final exams because I couldn't actually read in depth the critical care that was there for my final MD. So after my, I think in June, I started this preparation. And by September, I could complete around 70%, 70 to 80%. By November, I was sure that yes, I would cross the cutoff, but I did not know what was my level. So I think I would tell them that dream big and be persistent, study every day, and that will surely bring you good results.
Great, doctor. Time to thank whom all you want to thank. You can use this platform to thank who helped you to.
Sir, I have a lot of people to thank.
Okay.
I would like to start with my parents, who have been the main reason behind my motivation. I have seen them as doctors. I have seen them as parents who strive in and day out. And they always tell me that I can achieve it. Even if I don't believe it, my father tells me that I have completed my MD, so this will be an upgrade. If I am able to do it, well and good. If I'm not able to do it, it's okay. So I think that kind of made it a cool environment, a calm environment, that it's okay, I need to try. And then I would like to thank my brother and my sister-in-law who motivated me, but most importantly, always reminded me to take a break. Because I think appropriate breaks are needed to stay sane. I would like to thank all mentors, especially of speed, and my institute, the Dr. Momita ma'am. She was the first person who exposed me to critical care, and I think I have this special interest because of her. I would like to thank Dr. Kaushik. I would like to thank Dr. Khushbu. I would like to thank Dr. Bichitru and all other faculties at Neil Ratan and at Calcutta National Medical College who helped me to learn every day something. I would like to thank my friends, Dr. Ruchi, Dr. Bhageshri, Dr. Mayank, Dr. Aishwarya, Dr. Darshana, Dr. Shomodeep, Dr. Aradhya. They were the reason that I could study every day. They helped me be motivated and made me realize that yes, it is okay, that life can be difficult, exams can be stressful, and we need to stay focused. And I could discuss studies with them any day. So I think they were the main reason that even after this long journey, I'm still happy with the rank that I got today.
Great, doctor. It's a brief and very good motivation and a role model aspect we could listen from Dr. Parul. Excellent. Congratulations to you. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career in DM Super Speciality of Pediatric Critical Care. All the best and all the success, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.